In 1933, the Long Beach earthquake struck Southern California, rattling skyscrapers and exposing critical gaps in city planning. Engineers dispatched to the shattered coast documented failures and championed reinforced concrete and steel frame construction. Municipal leaders adopted stricter building codes, inspiring state laws that transformed how schools, bridges, and theaters were built. The quake sparked a nationwide push for emergency drills and standardized inspection practices that endured for decades. Today, remnants of those codes protect skylines from future quakes, a quiet testament to resilience born in disaster for generations of communities across California.